Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Reate Crossroads here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife. It's designed by Kirby Lambert. It's gonna be around $350, something in that ballpark. It's made in China by Reate Knives. It's a beautiful bolster lock, great titanium liners, marble carbon fiber scales, beautiful fit and finish. Look at the blade, awesome hollow grind, 3.625 inch long clip point blade, M390 steel, so pretty good to go with a nice multi-directional satin finish. You see going like this way, going that way. The sound it makes, guys, just spectacular. Very nice and classy, I have to say. Beautiful action. The weight is a little bit on the heavy side, is weighing in at 5.31 ounces. The clip is titanium, 3D milled. Awesome grip, guys. This is fantastic. These finger grooves are insanely good. Awesome grip. Even if there's no jimping, it's gonna feel absolutely solid in the hand. Extremely smooth, fast, strong detent, running on bearing. But yeah, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.